Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious akara everyone will love. If you want to know how I came up with this yummy recipe, continue watching. The first ingredient I have here is beans. Alright, I've washed my beans. I'll be leaving the link on how to wash your beans for akara moi moi in 5 minutes in the description box, so make sure you check it out. After which I'll be grinding these beans into a paste. As you guys can see, I have my beans paste here. Here I have chopped pepper, chopped onion, salt, and vegetable oil for frying. The next step is to transfer the beans paste into a mortar and continue to blend. I've added the chopped pepper, chopped onion, and salt, and continue to blend. This is how the final consistency will look like before frying. The next step is to heat up your oil and start frying the akara. Loves, you're going to like this recipe. Flip over to the other side. I'll be leaving the blog post link in the description box, so you guys go check out the measurements and every other details you need to know about this yummy akara. As you guys can see, our akara is almost ready. How do you love enjoying your akara? Let me know in the comments section. We are done with frying akara. Yummy, yummy. Guys, isn't this yummy? Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next one, and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.